Hello designers and welcome to this new series called Fusion 360 Explained by a Kid. In this series/course, I will be teaching you all the Fusion 360 basics, from their tools and how to use them, to being able to design fairly complex models like this pulley I made the other day. Basically, you will be able to quickly learn how to use Fusion 360. Now the course will consist of 10 short episodes. Here's what we'll take a look at each one of them. In the first video, we'll be taking a look at the interface the program has. This way, you will learn how the program is divided. Then, at the second video, we'll both create a keychain with your name on it at the same time, so that you can take a look at how 3D modeling works on Fusion 360. Afterwards, both at the third and fourth video, we'll take a look at all the sketch tools. Next, at the fifth video, I will teach you the create tools, and in the sixth video, the modify tools. Following up in the 7th, 8th and 9th video, you will learn about parameters and appearances, joints and planes. And last but not least, we'll see how to export designs and 3D print them on the 10th video. Now I know, right now these topics may seem like I am speaking Mandarin Chinese to you, and you may be asking yourself, what do all these things mean? But trust me when I say, after you finish this course, you will know what each one of these words mean and will become fluent with the program. So, I hope I will see you on my next video, ready to become a 3D modeling professional.